Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, we'll check in with Steven 3 months after his IPP meeting. We'll see how his plan is working and what adjustments might be needed to keep him on track with his goals.
Come in.
Hi, Grimmy. Dexter and I are going to a seminar on AI technologies. Want to come?
It's wise to be prepared for our inevitable cybernetic overlords.
No, you guys go on without me.
Okay, bye.
Dex, Steven's upset. What's wrong?
I got fired.
Fired?
Yeah. You know how I was excited about my job at the stadium because I got to work and watch baseball at the same time?
Yes.
Well, turns out you can't work and watch baseball at the same time.
Oh no, what happened?
Hot dogs! Get your hot dogs here! Ketchup, mustard, anything you like.
Bases are loaded.
Huh?
The pitch. The swing. It's a grand slam!
Oh, yes!
Hey, what did I tell you about watching the game? That's strike 3. You're out of here!
Oh, Steven, I'm sorry.
Now what am I going to do?
This reminds me of Season 3, Episode 20, the origin story of Lanterman. He was a Plutonian pizza delivery boy on the rings of Saturn. The rings, as you know, have hypnotic powers. He got distracted, the pizza got cold, and he got fired.
Did he ever get his job back?
No, he was banned from the rings of Saturn for life. Well, good luck.
What Dexter is trying to say is that even space heroes get fired. You just have to find a new job.
I can't. That job was in my IPP.
Civil Code Section 4646.5 parentheses B clearly states that you can ask for a new IPP or update your existing one anytime you want.
Call your service coordinator.
I will. Thanks, buds. I'm sorry I got fired.
No sweat, Steve-O. We just have to help you find a new gig. Hey, I know it feels terrible to be fired, but sometimes you have to fail to learn how to succeed.
What do you mean?
Well, for instance, take baseball. Do you hit a home run every time you're up?
No. Sometimes I strike out.
Everyone does, even Joe DiMaggio. But do you give up and never play baseball again?
No, I practice my swing.
Bingo! You learn from your mistakes. So what did we learn from the stadium gig?
That I can't work and watch baseball at the same time?
Exactly. So we need to find a job you like that gives you enough money and time to enjoy the games.
That would be amazing, bud.
Great. Okay, so what else do you like other than baseball? My first job was stacking cans down at Kruger's Grocery. That guy loved chowder. Steven?
Hey, little fella. You're a good boy, aren't you? That's right. You're a good dog.
Welcome to the pet shop. Hey, Vinny.
Steve-O, this is Byron. Byron, this is Steve-O.
Hi, is this your job?
Byron owns the store. Steven loves animals.
Looking for a pet, huh?
I wish, but pet ownership isn't just about playing with animals.
That's right.
Huh? Whoa, watch out, little guy. Gotcha. Ah.
Nice catch. You need a job?
I can work here?
What do you think, Wax?
Hey.
Okay, mistakes were made. But now we found Steven a paid internship so he could explore working at a pet store. What's better than that?
I like the pet shop. They got turtles.
Sweetheart, I love that for you.
Sounds like a winning strategy.
All right, let's update your IPP to include the paid internship at the pet shop, if you would be kind enough to sign right here.
Yes. Thanks, bud.
Today, Steven showed us how important it is to revisit and adjust your plans to stay aligned with your true goals. Your IPP is an ongoing, person-centered process. It values your input as well as the input from your circle of support, but the final plan needs to reflect your goals. Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do, and that person in the center is you.